Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I felt like having fruits and veggies to start off for the day. And then I thought, why have just fruits and veggies when I can have a mashup of all I can lay hands on from the refrigerator? So right now I'm going to be sharing and put you through a simple, rich and nutritious, easy to make fruit salad. So I'll start off by slicing my fruits and veggies into bits and cubes. As you can see, our watermelon is already finely cut. And then we're going to be cutting our cucumbers. And of course, our veggies and fruits are already cleaned and properly washed. So always bear that in mind. You have to wash your fruits and veggies before slicing them. So here we have our cucumbers all well cut. Next, we'll be cutting our apple. Remember, you're not limited to particular fruits, so you can always play around fruits. Our apples are ready. And then we'll be peeling and slicing our bananas as well. And like I said, you can always play around fruits to add variety. I'm just making do with what I have available right now. So cut your fruits and veggies into sizes and shapes of your choice. Okay. So we have peanuts and grapes and green olives as well as our varieties. Okay, so we'll be putting everything together into a bowl. We're almost about done. So I'll add in my peanuts. I'll be adding some almond milk and evaporated milk as well for that richness. And of course, our grapes and our green olives as well. So you can see now it's easy to make. It doesn't take much of your time. Now it's all set, as you can see, and I'm digging in already. Yummy. So you see, so easy and simple. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please do like and share, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.